Good day from Scobe Lift Philippines. Another day, another buhat na naman tayo dito sa Scobe Lift Philippines. Biglang nagkaroon ng lift requirement ang isa naming business neighbor para sa kanilang truck. And syempre, Scobe Lift was ready to help agad. Sa Scobe Lift Philippines, tulong na maaasahan. For lifting and heavy equipment needs, we've got you covered. Follow us on our social media pages for more posts and updates. Here at Scobe Lift Philippines, lifting made easy.